think events like this one today, this looks set to be a really successful one, and it's been a great way of showing off, a unique way of showing off our industry and getting young people in to get hands-on and understand what it's all about, so they can make an assessment about whether it's going to be the right career for them.
I haven't got, the experience or the grades or anything like that to apply for a job. So, apprenticeship would be the best way for me.
Hopefully, can secure an apprenticeship and maybe log on soon as possible. Really,
hoping to gather some knowledge on what they do here, and hopefully, eventually get on to the apprenticeship scheme.
Great.
So on.
I just work from go inside of the paint, silver, see how I can get on with it.
We hope to take on a further 10 after this event today. And if you add those to the ones we've collected over this year, that will take us to about 19 apprentices then across the group.
I wasn't expecting it to be so practical, so I'm actually really impressed. Get my hands on it's great, because I've been to a lot of open days and it's just, you chat to people on the stall and get a business card.
Spot on. I thought it was just having a little meeting, but it's actually more than a meeting.
From what it was years ago to the technology now, it's more advanced.
So you would encourage young people to come?
Yes, definitely, 100%.
I didn't think it would be this smart.
Lots of questions, they're engaged, they're interested, they want to have a go, they want to touch, feel, and I think in the general feedback, talking to other suppliers here, they thoroughly enjoyed the night.
Yeah.
Somebody gave me a chance, and I want to give these young people a chance. Not only but in believing in themselves and know that there's something out there for them. So I believe it's our duty to actually get out there and let them know these things, and let them know that actually it's a great career and you'll do all right for yourself. So it's really about giving something back.
A good percentage, I'd say 80% were engaged and really interested in cars, and generally what we do here. Quite amazed with the setup that we've got, which was refreshing for them and their parents to see, because body shops aren't really known for being the way that we've set this one up here. So
The people that work here, really nice, helpful, and give you good advice.